Hello guys, my name is Aditya and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Knowledge. In this video, I will show you how to add YouTube video on your HTML page. So, let's get started. First, open your browser and then open youtube.com and, and then select the video that you want to show on your YouTube HTML page. I will select the random video of JavaScript. Once you open your video, then click on the share button and then click on embed button this, and then you have to simply click on this copy button and check that this box is unticked. Okay, I will simply copy and link copy to clipboard and then go to your ID or code editor and then simply paste this in the body tag, only body tag. Paste it and save it and it's done. So let's check that this works or not. Yeah, this worked. So let's check on. Yes, it's working. Yeah, this working. It successfully worked, and you can add HTML videos, add YouTube video on your HTML page like this. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.